Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. Some of you have been emailing and asking us, how's the new shop coming? Well, and it's been progressing good. That's kind of why we've not been posting so much on Facebook or on YouTube, as we have been working our tails off trying to get this thing up and ready. And yeah, it entails quite a lot, but as you can see, concrete's done. I did not try and do that myself like I was originally going to. I actually hired it out, and he did a very nice job. So that's done. Our starting to assemble our base rails and all of our metal to get this thing into a realization of being something more than a pile of steel and a thing of concrete. There's our trusses. I've just got those all assembled and square. The rest of our parts and brackets and bolts and all that. So it's gonna be nice. We should be able to fit 12 cars and walk around. So that'll be a significant change. Not that I want to put 12 cars all in one barn, but the ability to put 12 cars all in one barn will be quite nice. Then we'll get our new lifts in, and then we should be able to pack it in even more. So thinking we're gonna put 3 wildfire lifts right on that wall. Then we can have 43, super coupe, wagon, yada yada, all of our toys under one barn. Probably the biggest conglomeration of Mopar F bodies under one roof that there ever has been, ever will be. So I'm excited for that. Very excited. So yeah, that's what we've been doing. Our shop update thing. Super coupe. We went racing last weekend. Have not got that video out. I'm gonna try and do that tonight. And that is currently away, getting some top secret stuff done. It is not here, not home. So I've been driving the Mullet all week, which I haven't driven him all week. And well, I haven't driven him in about a month actually. And he's just happy as always to fire up and have a good time. So yeah, it's our shop update. Oh, and I resided the house. So that's done. Yeah. Next time you guys see all this, should have walls and a roof. So next Sunday, I think that's all happening. So as always, appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next one. It's Dutch Guy's Garage.